two lines down to Redmond Station now arriving. Please stay and allow other passengers to exit before boarding.
There it is. We keep saying that.
Alright, you go as well.
Downtown Redmond, CVS Bellevue.
I'll see.
On the right, walk on the left. Watch your toes, watch your toes. Watch your toes, watch your toes.
Get out here, get on! Get on it!
Want a seat? No, I can't. Train.
Yeah, she got the picture.
Yeah, I can see well.
Yes! Yes, we're going to be the first one on the floating bridge on a train in the world.
I know. Do you mind if I...
Yeah, get it, man. Yeah. Oh, go ahead. My bad.
Oh, no. If you want to be there, I can...
Final destination. Final destination live action. You guys ready?
She didn't know that. Wow, how long are we underneath? Oh, yeah, we got to get a picture of this. History, real. Oh, look at the boat with the water.
Yeah.
Floating train.
Floating train, yeah. That's cool. Man, this is incredible.
You can see?
Man, I can see you. Technology.
I guess we could go all the way.
Next time, flying train. The Jetsons.